going on, guys? This is our second video. It's been a while since we made a video. We're out here over at BJ's parents' house. We're pillaging some parts for my Supra build for a really tiny part that we'll show y'all later on. But we're gonna get to tearing this motor down out for y'all.
Video title: 7M engine removal. We almost dies.
Cat like reflexes. Here we go. Back to the shop. Excuse my loud ass truck. I had some people come and steal the cats off my Tundra. So I'm riding around open header right now. Happens all the time. Every time. Every time we have a bucket under here with some kind of fluid in it, you drop a tool in there. Then you gotta fish it out. Dump the oil out. Pumps out. there. Right, so the major important part that I needed off this thing. So, look under here. That right there. Oh, get some light for you. So that part right there, that little tube that you see hanging down, and it pokes out right there. Now you're gonna ask me, you know, it's for the dipstick. Most people are gonna ask, well, why did you have to pull the motor to get it out? Because it's pressed in to the bottom. So I had to yank this motor out, pull the pan off, so I can knock this pipe out. So we're about to knock it out, and hopefully all goes right. I don't damage the tube, and we can install it on my new motor.
The O'Reilly guy is not going to be thrilled with us for delivering 2 hose clamps. That I should have ordered in that order.
Hey, you're leaking coolant, buddy.
I made a mess.
I see that.
Sorry.
We're pretty good at making a mess today.
Yeah, this will be the second time today.
Yep. Hey, you know what then? Sometimes you gotta
Break a few eggs to make an omelet or something like that. I don't know.
I would hope so, because without eggs you don't have omelet. Leave it to you to find the food reference.
Hey, we haven't had lunch yet, so grabbing on anything I can.
There we go. Part is out.
Oh, did you get the part that we pulled an engine for?
Yeah, we got the part that we pulled the engine for. I told them what it was. They saw me well at this thing to get it out.
Yeah.
So this little part right here for my dipstick. Somehow mine got lost, so we pulled an engine to get a new one. Well, used one.
Who lost yours?
I don't know, you know?
You want to blame Carl? He's not here.
Yeah, we can blame Carl. He's definitely not here, so we'll blame him. It definitely probably was him.
Always blame Carl if he's not here.
I blame BJ when he's not here. Alright. Well, I guess I'll put the pan back on so it's still a complete motor.
Might need that.
Yeah, you might need it. For the Datsun?
Stay tuned.
18. drop the tool in the bucket. Yeah, you know, because every time you have a tool, a bucket underneath here, you drop it in.
This is rust prevention.
Yeah.
This is proper tool maintenance.
Make sure you have your tools lubed up, kids. Always use lube.
A wise man, and Jeff Perkins once told me not to use your tools as hammers, kids. Did you use your tools as hammers earlier?
No, I didn't. I actually pulled out a hammer.
Okay, good.
Because, you know, we're a natural shop. We have tools here.
Unless somebody wants to sponsor us.
Sponsor would be nice.
One just got done over here. This hose is entirely too long.
That's what she says.
She's never said that to me.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. Alright. Just enough to seal that off. And we're done with it. Everything else can store it away in a box somewhere. It'll never be found again.
front of this car because I know what happened last time I did that. I don't want to stand in front of it because I know what happened last time I stood in front of it. Alright guys, as you can see, we've been absolutely jamming this weekend and into Monday while we were off to really get his Supra back together, and he's finally just now gone out on an initial test drive to get some fuel and kind of shake the car down. So I know he's excited to be back in his car after what I think is 3 years, maybe a little more. You know, everybody needs some boost in their life, so it's good to see him back in it. And I know this isn't the last of it you'll see on the channel, so stay tuned.